back, 26 Acres Outdoors. In the kitchen, after Izzy and I went fishing, we're gonna show you a quick, easy meal made for a king. And what are we cooking?
Porgy.
Porgies, or Scup. Down south they call them Scup. Connecticut, everybody I know calls them Porgies. So I'm gonna show you an awesome way to cook them. Really fast, really fancy. You can definitely do some impressing with this one. All right, but it's super simple. Got our oil heating up. Use whatever you like. We're gonna use some egg noodles, some broccoli, or whatever vegetable you like that's either frozen or fresh. I'm lazy, that's all I have. Our porgy fillets, which if you watch the other video, I'll show you how to fillet them and clean them with 0 bones. So you and your kids, grandma, grandpa, whoever wants to eat them, Stevie Wonder can eat them and doesn't have to worry about eating a bone. Be all set. Watch that. There's our porgy, what do I want to keep calling tilapia. And our old standby breadcrumbs. You know I love cornflake crumbs. Sorry, not breadcrumbs. I'm on a roll today, aren't I? So you got some of those, or whatever you like to bread your fish in when you fry it. This is my choice. Minced garlic or regular whole garlic. An egg, whipped up to perfection. And some frozen shrimp from Walmart. What am I gonna do with those? Let's find out. And to make it super duper fancy, impress everybody, we have frozen fruit as a side. It's pineapple, coconut, and what is it, mango?
Mango.
I'm on a mango kick, and it's really good when it's frozen. Stay tuned. Like normal, put it in a bag. Put it in a bowl with a container, however you bread your stuff. Whatever gets your breading going. And that's it. If you want to put spices in it, put in it. But you don't want anything, so I'll spice mine up like usual when I'm making something with the kids after. You want a bite?
No, thank you.
All right, it's porgy. It's porgy time. It's going back in this first swim in the milk. Egg. I don't know. I guess I had too much fun today. The sun got me. Anybody have any cures for sunburn? Because I got sunburn again.
Aloe.
Aloe, okay. All right, you got the idea of this. And then we just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I believe our oil is hot enough. There's only one way to find out. We've been testing it. So, you take your little fillets, as my father used to call them. Oh yeah. Drop those bad girls right in there. And we all know to know how they're done, because they'll float to the top. Right? When it's cooked, it'll float. Where did he come from? Jesus! It's gonna be on a fish fry frenzy as the rest of the noodles and everything else cooks. Wow. Let's get fancy. Butter. I got buttery hands and I can't open it. Butter. Our noodles are done. Choose whatever noodles you want. Butter. Garlic. Don't be bashful. And a little more. And then when you're done, when you think it's too much, that's when you're done. And our shrimp. Frozen. Saute those up, let that butter melt. Get to it. All right, we got our shrimp. They're looking scrumptious. We got our noodles. We got our noodles all done. You're gonna take this. Shut your heat off here. That's for, it's the wrong burner. All right, gonna shut your heat off. If I can find the right one. We're gonna dump our heated up shrimp, garlic, all that right in there. And boom, mix it. Now, this is quick. You can use olive oil, whatever you like. I'm cheating. Job Lot has this stuff. It's awesome. It's roasted garlic olive oil. And then just hit them off. Hit off your noodles, dude.
Okay, dude.
They're laughing at me back there, crowd. Put your cover on. Forgot one thing. editing today. Don't forget the Parmesan. You can go fresh or you can go whatever's in this thing that wants to come out. Hit it good. Put the lid on. And then just shake.
Why?
Okay, mix it up, kiddo. That's how the doctor up here 99-cent broccoli florets from Walmart. Nice little lemon juice. Put it in. Shake it up. All right, we have our special guest taste tester who loves fish, by the way. What's your name?
Fauna.
Fauna. So you're going to be the first one to taste that fish that Izzy and I caught. You tell us what you think. Go. I'll go with you, okay? Well, all three of us at once. Ready?
Let's.
Yeah. Ready? Boy, is that good, huh? I hope. Oh. And those noodles, nice and garlicky, with some little shrimps in it. Should have added more shrimp, but that's good, huh? Well, we hope you guys like this cooking porgies or scup, whatever you call them from where you're from. And we got some nice frozen fruit to go with it. Kind of complements it. So, what do you think? Oh, she's still eating. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.
Catch you next
Catch you next
time.
time.
Catch you next time.